Greetings everyone, my name is Forex Joe. Welcome to Wealth Creation Investing. In this session, we're going to be talking about trade plan alerts. We're going to be covering Tuesday evening, February the 19th, 2013. This is trade plan number 1991, Opening of the Markets, How to Read and Understand. As I put up this disclaimer, those of you that have never seen this disclaimer before, please stop the video and review it. It's also all over our website, and make sure that you fully grasp and understand, and we will continue. I like to always show the gears each and every time that I give training, and this is for multiple time frames. For those of you that's looking at multiple time frame analysis, you go to the far left hand side, you see the 15-minute chart rotating into the 30-minute, 1 hour, 4 hour. Everything that I do begins with the daily chart, and I look left to right, daily, weekly, and monthly. Big Lights strategy versus Big Lights traders, which I've trademarked, and I'm looking for higher pip gains. As you continue your journey in the Forex markets, you will have light bulb moments. I also like to show my little buddy here the light bulb, and this will be seared in your mind for those of you that continue your training with Wealth Creation Investing. I have been in the Forex market since 2001. I am now embarking on my 12th year. I have as much experience as just about anybody out there. I have created outside the box material that allows you to keep it simple and understand common numbers in trading the Forex markets. We're going to be covering our trade plan alert number 1991. Ladies and gentlemen, what started as a weekly report back in 2005 has evolved into a daily detailed trade plan alert and analysis of the Forex markets. Experience is attained during anything if you do it 2,000 times. This landmark event proves that my outside-of-the-box methods have withstood the test of time. We'll be sharing with you top pairs to watch, also experienced trades to monitor. We cover all trading styles. We look at buys and sells each session with take profit areas, and we also have rules of engagement. We look forward to you participating and giving the Forex markets your quality of attention participation in learning how to maneuver in the most liquid market on earth today. Okay, I have posted the trade plan alert for Tuesday evening, February the 19th. The trade plan number is 1991, Opening of the Markets. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, this is not a rookie. What I've been able to accomplish is over a long period of time. We ask that any new client place all trades into a practice regiment demo account until comfortable using the reports within a chosen specific trading style, and be sure to pick one currency pair to stock, where besides the Euro US dollar, where I give you a ton of information daily. I like to go back and look at what's happened in the Dow, oil, gold, and the dollar index. Monday we had a U.S. holiday. Only one of the 22 pairs moved 100 plus pips. But in covering 22 pairs, we'd like to give you an update on how those pairs, or any of the pairs, moved 100 plus pips. We also take the range of the top 7 pairs. And in this last session going into tonight, the pound dollar had only moved 89 pips. The U.S. Canadian had moved 34 pips. Now, as you can see, markets have been oscillating in small channels due to the holiday, and we have important news forthcoming. Pairs are about ready after consolidation to break out soon, and we continue to focus on pairs that you personally can trade to enhance growth. We have some possible news drivers. On Tuesday evening, when this report was given out, we had the Japan trade balance. On Wednesday morning, we had the Bank of England meeting minutes, we had the U.S. housing starts, and we had the FOMC meeting minutes at 2 o'clock Eastern on Wednesday afternoon. That could have been a huge possibility to help give us more insights to the markets under current market conditions. Then I also try to give some information from my desk. We talked about how the Dow's all-time high was reached in October 27th, but we've reached that. The euro was continuing to stay in the range. I talked a little bit about the G20, what was happening with the yen, and that the yen is near its lowest level against the dollar since 2010. All this information helps those of you that are advanced traders that's been trading for over a year. And in the process, we want to make sure that you have quality information. Okay, we want to take a look at what's happening under current market conditions. When I did this report for Tuesday evening, the euro US dollar was at 33.86. We then give you the closest 2 out of 3 and 3 out of 3 channels, which is 33.29. Now, if you don't understand this and you're brand new to the Forex markets, all this is very easily understood, clearly explained in our training videos if you choose to become a client. We also share what's happened the last 5 sessions. This pair's moved 212 pips. We have 2 straight blue sessions. Anytime that a pair opens above the previous close of the 24 hours, it is a blue session. Anytime that it closes below the previous 24-hour close, it is a red session. I then give you a swing position range for those of you that are looking for more pips. Now, swing position traders might be looking for 50 to 100 pips or more, and in some instances, if they use our gravy train method, they can take profit at 25 to 75 pips, 100 to 250 pips, and look for pairs that are moving, that are trending, that might move 500 to 1,000 pips or more. But those of you that are scalpers, those of you that are getting in and out of the markets very quickly, I want to share this with you. This report is given each and every day. So as you can see, we have scalper moves here with what's taking place with scalping moves, and we have buy recommendations to where you can take pips, as I can do this right here. I guess I can't, but you are able to buy at 34.01, take profit 1 at 5 to 12 pips, take profit 2 at 8 to 25 pips. So scalper day traders will review these trade plans. Now, if you're a swing position trader, you're looking and you have time for plenty of entries. We even have our experienced trade, where you can see the experienced trade right here. An experienced trader, we ask that you get in at 33.86, or, excuse me, the number was 33.86. You let the pair move to 34.10, 34.20 area. Now, once it's moved to this area, we're looking for a reversal, and then we sell at 33.99, using take profit 1, 10 to 25 pips, take profit 2 at 25 to 50 pips as a guideline. Now, we explain fully in all of our classes when to take profit and understand depending on your trading style. Remember, we are covering scalping, day trading, swing, and position trading. We took a look at this pair. In the last 5 sessions, it had closed plus 35 pips, 1 pip, -1, -1, and -87, and 3 pips the last 5 sessions, with the range being a high of 35.18 to a low of 33.06. Now, much of this had to do with the Monday holiday, and that it is extended an extra day as we're getting ready for news this week. So we ask that our swing position players use these numbers as the next breakout area under current market conditions. And then we let you know that FOMC could be the next news driver for this pair on Wednesday. Okay, let's take a look at what's happening here with the pound US dollar. It was at 54.22. 2 of the 3 channels were at 54.34 within 12 pips. You'll be amazed at how many times it comes within these numbers, and sometimes it will actually stall and give you an opportunity as a swing position trader to get in. The biggest fallacy that most people run into is that they have unrealistic expectations. They have an attachment to money. They're not really trained properly. They don't know what to do, and they have 1 or 2 losing trades, and they get the bejeebers scared out of them. Or they'll have early success and think that they don't need a mentor or a coach, and they'll try to go off on their own, and they'll lose all their money. Folks, if you're a professional football player, professional basketball player, professional in any sport, you have coach or mentors around you consistently. It allows you to attain peak performance. So if you're looking to attain peak performance, find a coach that you can use on a consistent basis so you can make the most possible pip profit available to you. And this will allow you to prosper in the Forex markets. So once again, we have 6 of the last 7 sessions have been red. This has been on a steady move down since 60.44, since 600 plus pips. Clients of mine have been working in this capacity as swing position players, and they're learning how to scale back in or have continuation trades to where there's more than one entry at 60.44 on sales, with the current number at 54.22. We also give you guidelines on what the next numbers are in a sequence, so you are fully prepared. You are not just watching candles open and close, ladies and gentlemen. in 15 or 30-minute or 1-hour candles. You have a game plan in advance. This in itself is worth the price of admission. As we post the U.S. yen chart, the U.S. yen swing position traders are seeing in live markets how to work the system of scaling back in and having continuation trades for positive pips. We actually have clients that we've been sharing this for many, many months. They're in from 79, 50, 80, 82, 84, 11, 86, 88, 90, 92, 92, 91, or 93.01. It's currently at 93.55. So this pair, as I predicted, is moving towards parity. Now there might be a bump in the road forthcoming, but my clients will be forewarned and know what to do. That's how you understand and why I put in both buy and sell recommendations. If you're scalpers, we have daily moves along with day traders. If you're swing position players, you are looking for certain rules of engagements to match up to gain your attention. You see the top highs of the last 10 sessions over 94 have been at 94.44, 94.39, 94.20, and 94.02. That means of the last 10 sessions that this pair's traded, here are the highs. The next number in the sequence was 94.09. Now we're currently at 93.55, so as you can see, we're having difficulty closing above this 94.09 number. So anytime that it's went to this area and bounced, you could have had a sell at 94.09 and you would have had four trades that would have had positive pips. In some instances, several of these trades were 100 plus pips downward, and then there was another reversal. Now, do you know the next number in the bias in the sequence after 94.09? Unless you are a current client, you don't. That in itself is worth the price of admission. So please continue. Those of you that are brand new to the area or want to learn this, use a practice regimen account daily using the concept taught. If you use the concept and you understand basic numbers that we learned in 7th, 8th, and 9th grade, then you can participate in the most liquid market on earth today. You just have to trust the system and overcome your fear, self-doubt, and emotion, and we will allow you to accomplish that task. Now, as you can see, we cover other pairs. We have the U.S. Canadian, the Aussie dollar, and there's several pairs that we cover on a daily basis. We also let you know, like the Aussie dollar down here, the last 9 sessions, it hadn't even made 100 pips. So there's pairs that will slow down, that will allow scalpers and day traders to prosper. There are other pairs that will move 200, 300, 400 pips in a week that will give swing position traders an opportunity to pick up pips. This is the beauty of the Forex markets in covering just 22 currency pairs. There seems to be a direct correlation sometimes to where some of the 4 majors slow down and some of the crosses speed up, or vice versa when we get a very strong or weak currency to be able to have that currency move in a consistent basis. And in closing, here are a few quotes that I'd like to share with you, but as you read these quotes, I'd like to end with the fact that reaching out to help solve the problems of other people will help take your mind off of your own problems, or at least put them in perspective. If you are wanting to learn how to prosper in the most liquid market on earth today, where we are all just minnows in a shark tank, and as retail customers only having access since 1998, I have been in the Forex market since 2001. I have as much experience as anyone out there. I definitely would love to have your business. I'd love to teach you the system, but please treat it and give it quality of attention participation, because you're going to learn a new vocation for life. And if you will overcome your attachment to money and just use money as a tool to barter for goods and services only, then you will be able to prosper in this market, understanding how to keep it simple, following my wealth creation, Forex trading, trade plans, and analysis. Until next time and the next training, my name is Forex Joe. May all the pips be with you. We appreciate it. Godspeed, and see you next time.